Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the next video. So in today's video we are going to see what to do whenever the site says that you have got some URLs which are not indexed and they are excluded. So just now you can see, okay, so I don't want to explain all those things from the scratch because you might have seen a lot of videos and you will be like frustrated again, this guy is telling the same thing, so I don't want to do that one. Okay, so directly I will come to the point guys. So basically you have got one site and in that site you have got only one valid URL, and after that you have written some 20-30 posts just like me, and it says that you have got excluded post. I mean Google search engine is not indexing these things. Okay, so there might be any reason guys, I don't exactly know what is the reason, but few people say that your content is not good, your content is thin, and you might have copied the content, but in my case nothing is like that. Okay, but still it is showing that your page can't be indexed, but anyway I have to wait, and I don't know exactly when it will going to index those things or something like that. If I search my site on Google, then it will say only one result. That means it is only able to open my home page. Okay, so basically that is the thing. And now whenever you are having just like me 26 excluded, and you can see here discovered currently not indexed, just click in these file guys and you will be able to see here these are the 26 affected pages. From 16th they have been affected. Okay, so you can see here these are the URLs. Okay, so these are unique posts guys, and I have written well with regarding the SEO and all those things I have written properly. Okay, so now what I need to do is I will try to submit this. Manually I will try to index these things. So how you can do that one? Just hover on these links guys and you will be able to see three options: copy, after that open in a link tab, a new tab, and after that inspect URL. So just there is a search icon, click on that one. So it will show you something like this: retrieving data from Google Index. So once that is done, you will be able to see this page, and you can see nothing is there, URL is not on Google, it will say. And here you can see request indexing discovered currently not indexed. Okay, so coverage means it is discovered but not able to index. So what I will do, I will just test the URL. So just test the URL whether Google is able to reach to our post or not. So this will basically test the URL, and we'll just wait for a couple of minutes here so that it will show whether the URL is accessible or not. So yes guys, the URL is accessible, and for this, to make it accessible, there are a lot of things which need to be taken care. Okay, so you have to give a proper sitemap, and after that okay, so you need to have a proper sitemap. That is the first thing, and after that so your ownership should be verified. Yes, so these things you have to do first, otherwise you will not get this also. URL is not available on Google like this, it will say. So if you don't know how to submit sitemaps and all those things, let me just quickly show you guys. I don't want to consume your time. If you are using Yoast SEO, then just go to Yoast, and after that you can see over here in tools or in general, you just go. Okay, so after that I'll show you how to get the sitemap. Actually it's very easy, only one step process, and if you have already done all those things, then please bear for me. Just for a few minutes, I'll take only 1 or 2 minutes from your timing. Okay, so let me just open that one guys. It's not opening actually. I think there is issue with the network. Come on. Okay, finally it's here. Okay, so you can see SEO less readability, content, and still it is loading guys. All options are not available for me. Okay, so once you scroll down over here, then you will be able to see this one, XML sitemaps, right? So you just click on this question mark and you can see the XML sitemap. You just click on that one and it will open in a new tab, and this will actually show the sitemap for your website. That means what is the layout of your website, like what are all the posts and what is the home page and all those things it will be storing. So for each and every post there will be link, and that link will be stored in this XML file. You can see post, page, category, post tag and other. Just keep it as it is, and if you click on post, then you will be able to see all the posts which I have written. I have written around 19 posts here and all are visible over here. Okay, so this is basically sitemap. And how to submit this one? Just click over here. Okay, so copy, and after that you can see one option, sitemaps, right? So sitemaps you are able to see. Just click here, and after that remove this thing. Remove this thing, and if you click on submit, it will be like success, and discovered URLs it will not be currently showing. After some time it will show, and for some people it will be showing like couldn't fetch or something like that. The error will be shown. So in order to come out of that one, I have made already one video. Just see that one. Okay, so but I have already submitted, so I will not submit it again. So for this problem I will again show you how to make it indexing. Okay, so just programming language. This was the post which we are trying to request for indexing. So let me just open it again. Okay, so until that I will close these unnecessary tabs. This. Okay, so it is opening, and now I will test the live URL. Once I test the live URL, then I will be able to submit it for the indexing. So let me just do that one step by step. So if you are patient enough, then you can watch this video completely. Okay, so now it is being okay. So yes, URL is available to Google, and now you can see request indexing. That means I am requesting Google to index my URL because I think it's a good page, and you need to index this one and show it to the whatever viewers who will be searching in the Google. So yes, now you can see indexing requested. Indexing has been now requested. So you need to come to again coverage. Come to coverage. After that again come over here. So just open discovered not indexed, and you will be able to see again. So this is I have already done. And Infosys campus recruitment. So for this also I will do the same thing. So number of posts whatever you will be having. So just request for indexing. All those things you have to request. So test URL. Do it step by step, guys. Okay, so that it will be it will be easy for Google to index the page as soon as possible. So satisfied the condition that the content is good and it is not copied from anywhere. Okay, so if you are satisfying all those conditions, then yes, your site will be very soon indexed. So you have to wait for a couple of days, guys, because billions of websites will be there running on the Google, and it will take some time for the things to happen. So just wait for a couple of days, and in those days your issue will be solved. Okay, so but try doing whatever it is possible, right? So just don't quit. Okay, so you can do whatever possible things which are generally done on the internet. Everyone will be doing something, so you just do, or you just follow those things. So initially you will not be knowing each and everything, but gradually as and when you move, you will be. Okay, so request again I will do. So basically there is an internet issue from my side, so that's why it is showing like that, guys. Okay, so sometimes it will reject, but you have to request again and again. Okay, so index requested, and please try later. It is showing. Yes, no problem. So that's it, guys, and you just have to do it for all those URLs which are in discovered but not indexed, right? So just do that one again and again and again. Okay, so that's it in this video, guys. See you in the next one. Thank you. Thanks for watching.